Ciao, I'm Enzo.
I'm Celia.
This is our channel where we show you how life is in Lucca.
And in the Tuscan hills.
I love cooking traditional food.
And we love exploring our beautiful part of the world.
So please subscribe and welcome
to PiazzaTalk Lucca. Ciao a tutti. It's been another crazy week, and spring is a bit crazy always, and the flowers are just beginning to come out. My wild roses are just coming, the May bush is just coming out. So the land and the house are requiring a lot of attention, getting ready for summer visitors. But also we'd like to take the opportunity to take you where we were a while ago, to Bagno alla, and we went inside the baths there that they're restoring. And they're very beautiful. They're very small, but they're part again of the thermal garden in Bagni di Lucca, which were designed by Elisa Bacciocchi. So we also would like to take you to another of our favorite bars, which is called Lorenzo's, and it's on the road between Lucca and Camaiore. And Lorenzo won Cake Star, I think, and it's a television program, and one of the judges is Damiano Carrara, who also become famous in America, though he is Lucchese, and is now spends a lot of time in Italy doing the Italian Bake Off judge, and he's also a judge of this show, and he judged Lorenzo's the best cakes in that area, which includes Forti di Mame and the posh resorts. And Lorenzo's is just one of those little gems that you would just drive past. It's not a pre-processing bar outside, it's on the main road, but it's worth a stop. Ciao a tutti, today we're in Bagni di Lucca, and we're just about to go back and do some more work on the land. But we took some film a while ago of the Bagno alla Villa, and so we thought we'd show you, as we haven't had much time for filming, and also this delightful piazza. Today the Bagni alla Villa are closed, but they're being restored, and a few months ago we went inside and looked at the work that was being done. We've already filmed the Bernabò, which has just been reopened in Bagni di Lucca. There's been an establishment here since 1376. The structure as you see it now is actually 17th century with its adorable little turrets. The square, or piazza, is called Piazza del Bagno, and Montaigne stayed here in the summer of 1581 and cured his kidney stones. So every water in Bagni di Lucca has a different quality, exactly. Byron and Shelley also stayed in villas, Byron just behind and Shelley just above this piazza. So it's a very historic, beautiful place. One day we'll give you a whole tour and go through the different villas. This Piazza del Bagno is where you can start and finish the walk that we did a few months ago, or quite a long time ago, but there's a video on it of the Via del More. We're going to stop at one of our favourite places in Camaiore town, which is just inland from the sea, from Lido di Camaiore, and it's at Lorenzo's, who is a Michelin star really of patisserie. He's got a 2-star Gambero Rosso, and he won Cake Star, which is a television programme in Italy, for the quality of his cakes. And we're not going to show you us eating them because we're such big boys, but we'll show you the cakes and you'll see why. And they're just made of amazingly pure ingredients. There's nothing artificial about them, and they're based on traditional Italian type of patisserie. So I hope we can make you hungry.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, leave a like and activate the notification bell. You just need a Google account and it's free. It helps our community enormously. Thank you very much.